guys, so we're priming the lid. I use concealer, as you guys know. Today's palette that we are going to be using is the Blue Honey by Kylie Jenner. This is it right here. The first shade is going to be Blue Money. We're going to be taking a blending brush and patting that into our lid, kind of making like an oval or circle shape. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Taking the shade Busy Bee, we're going to be taking that on a blending brush and we're going to be blending out the edge of that blue money color, just to kind of deepen it up there. You don't want to blend too much into the blue. You want to keep it more above the blue. Taking the shade Sweet Like Honey, that's going to go above that previous shade that we just did, just to keep blending it out a little bit. Go ahead and cut the crease. I honestly love this for cutting my crease. You guys, I just learned a new technique also to get a better cut crease. I watched a video and I just took this little beauty creation brush and I basically just like glued the bristles together and made it really sharp at the ends, and it is amazing. It's definitely changing the game for cut crease. Taking the shade Royal Jelly, that's gonna go in our outer corner. And now we're taking the shade Buzz Off, and that's gonna go in the inner corner. Going back in with Blue Honey, we're gonna blend out the edges. Going in with Raw, that's gonna be our brown bone color. Today's lashes are the Martini style. I forgot to film where I actually put on the lashes, but these are some pictures that I took afterwards. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notification. Check the description for my Instagram. I'll see you guys next time.